1, we are going to create the frame of the sculpture. Okay, so basically the frame will look like this. We are going to use the cylinder and the sphere to create this shape. So the cylinder and the sphere basically has 7 millimeter for the diameter, and the height of the whole shape, okay, will be 5 millimeter in this view. Okay, so it will be a bit flat. So if I show you the image here, okay, so this shape will be a bit flat instead of a whole round cylinder. Okay, besides that, okay, the angle between two lines, okay, two object is 100 degree. Okay, which means we need to move it 50 degree to the left and 50 degree to the right when it's at the center. Okay, and then the length of the whole thing, okay, this measurement is for the cylinder only. Okay, so the length for the whole cylinder is 85 millimeter. Okay, so let's start to create this shape in TinkerCAD. Okay, so right now we are in TinkerCAD. So first thing, we need to click on create new design to start design our self-balancing sculpture. Okay, so I click on create new design, and once I have the work plane, okay, first I'm going to change the name. Okay, so it is good that you always change the name of your project. Like this, you know what project that you are doing. Okay, so over here I will name it as self-balancing balancing sculpture. SU sculpture. Okay, so right now I have this project named self-balancing sculpture. So I have my work plane over here. So first thing, what we need to do is we need to create the frame. So first, let's get a cylinder. Okay, and then we need a sphere also. So first, let's change the sides of this cylinder to the maximum and the segment, or else you will see you will have the points for this cylinder. So I will just increase the sides and the segment to the maximum so that I will have a smooth cylinder. Okay, so basically, first thing what I want to do is I'm going to make this round become oval. Okay, so now I am at the top view. I want to make this a bit oval. So I'm going to change this one to 5 millimeters. Okay, and the diameter, okay, which is this one, for the X, okay, this is the X, I will change it to 7 millimeter. Okay, then we will get a shape like this. Same thing for my sphere, I will do the same thing. Here for the X, I will change it to 7. Okay, and then here I will change it to 5. Okay, so this height, okay, I will follow the width that I set just now, 7. Okay, yeah, so this one I will set it to 7 for the Z axis of this sphere, 7. Okay, and even a sphere you also can increase the step. Okay, so I'm going just increase it to the maximum so that I will have a very round smooth surface. Okay, and this one, okay, for our cylinder we will need the height to be 85. Okay, and we will have a very tall cylinder. Okay, right now what we need to do is, okay, we need to rotate it. Okay, so to rotate it, you need to zoom out, and then you will have 3 rotation. Okay, so which one are we going to rotate? I'm going to rotate for this one. Okay, over here, this one. You can see it's over here. Oopsie, it's here. Okay, I'm going to hold on the shift and then rotate it for 90 degree. Okay, let me move this down to my bed. Okay, 0. Okay, now I have one cylinder and one sphere. This sphere I also need to rotate it. So let's rotate it based on this angle, okay, this one over here that you can see. Okay, so this angle, hold shift and rotate it 90 degree. After that, bring it down to the base. Okay, now we have a sphere and a cylinder. So right now, what I need to do is I'm going to align these two together. So first I'm going to select everything together, click on align, and then I'm going to make everything to the center first. So for the horizontal part, center, vertical part, center also. Actually vertical I need this for the, if we look like this on the top screen, okay, the y-axis I want it to be the end of the cylinder. Okay, so right now you can see that my sphere is actually hiding inside. So what I need to do is I want to move this cylinder half the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so if I move this away, now that you look at our sphere right now, okay, we go for the top view, zoom in, okay, maybe I just click on top. Okay, good. So this diameter is 7. So if I want to, we have the result just now like this, okay, which means I need to move this half of the sphere diameter. So which means I need to move it by 3.5 millimeter upwards, okay, to the right actually. So let's move it, okay. I need to hold on the shift like this, it won't move it around, okay, it will only just move either X or Y. So hold the shift, move by the X axis, okay, and then over here you will see a value. Since we want to move it by 3.5, this value, let's change it to negative 3.5, okay, and that's all. So I have one side, we need to make the other side of the frame, okay. So let's highlight these two, duplicate it and move it aside. Okay, right now what we need to do is let's align both of them together. Okay, first I need to group it first, group it and group this, okay, and align both. Okay, cool. So right now I have these two. Okay, so right now we have these two sticks, okay. So we know that both of them is aligned horizontally. Vertically actually. It's aligned vertically. So right now what I need to do is I need to rotate this 50 degree to the right, okay, and 50 degree to the left for this one, so that I will have the angle of 100 degree at the center. So click on this, the shape that you want, okay. If let's say you are clicking this, so you need to rotate this to the right hand side, left hand side, okay. Make sure that this sphere is facing that side and this sphere over here is facing this side. So right now I'm just going to start with the right hand one. So how can I rotate is when you click on the object, okay, you will have a rotation over here. Sorry. Okay, let us just focus on top view. Okay, if I click on the object, you will have the rotation over here, this one. This is the rotation that you want to do, okay, for this axis. So click on it and then rotate it by 50 degree. 45, I think we need 50. Okay, good. So this is 50 degree. One more time, I click on it, I move out and I rotate it to 50 degree. Okay. Oh, this is 51. So if sometimes when you move by this point arrow here, sometimes it won't be so accurate. So what you can do is, since you know we are rotating for 50 degree, let's just change this value over here to 50. Okay, same thing for this one. Okay, I'm going rotate it upwards, okay, negative 50. So this is 45, this is 50. How I know it's 50? Let's do it one more time. Okay, 50 is here. 50, this one. Okay, or if you, let's say if you don't want to rotate it by using this numbering over here, you can straight away just change this to minus 50. Okay, now we have a X. So let's align both of them together. Okay, to the center. So you will get this. So right now what we need to do is, let me move this to the side. Okay, I need to move this one to the right. So that we will have a frame over here, like a 8. Okay, roof. So let me move this. Okay, I'm going to hold on the shift, okay, and move it to the right. Okay, so how much millimeter I'm going to move it? I'm just going to move it for around 67 millimeters. Okay, like this. So this value will be 67. Okay, and that's all for your frame. So in the next video, I will be teaching you how to add the supporting point of the self-balancing sculpture. See you in the next video. Bye.